Hey everyone, it's me. This is really sad. I came out to one of the stores out here by the lake and then decided to come out here to the lake. I haven't been out here for a while. And look, it's almost dried up. This is really sad. Look, all this was water before that went way over there, and where all that green is, that was all water. All over there you can see just how low it is. Look at this. All this was water. You see, I used to stand up there and talk to you because the water would come right up to here. And sometimes even up to that green bush there would be water. But look, no water. Really sad to see that, and then to see all this trash that was in the water. Look, someone's chair, a boot, a can. I don't know what that is. Another chair. All this was underwater. See, water used to go up there to those trees. Looks like someone's been walking here. Wonder if I can cut up. There used to be a path. All this was water. Go this way. We really need rain. Hope you saw my video. Well, I didn't take a video of it. I did post a picture on my community tab though of the Silky Mama and two baby chicks that belong to my Easter egger hen. But the Silky Mama's been sitting on them all this time. And the picture maybe isn't that good because I didn't want to mess with them too much with them just being born today. I don't want to walk into a spider web. Okay. Found the little path. Let's check out this side of the lake. My throat is dry. There we are. The marina. It's getting to be sunset. This is low, of course. So the water is supposed to be up to here. So low. Someone's running their boat. We need a good soaking rain. I guess they're gonna take their boat out. Well, I'm gonna head back because I need to change the chickens' waters, and they'll be going in. They'll probably be in by the time I get home. I live 4 miles from here. Then I can lock them up. What's everyone working on? People left trash. I don't know why they do that. They bother to lug it down here. Why don't they lug it back? Anyway, pray for Texas that we get rain. No flooding. Just a nice soaking rain. And if you get a chance, go over to my community tab and check out the picture of the 2 baby chicks. She's still sitting on 2 more eggs. One is an Easter egg, and then one is a silky egg. So time will tell. Okay, everyone, have a good night.